the TestNG series. In this video, we are going to learn what is a package tag in TestNG XML and what are the advantages of using package. See, the package tag says eh, we can execute a package from the TestNG XML instead of having the classes. If we have to execute multiple classes defined under a package, instead of defining them each and every class under the classes attribute, under the classes tag, you can have a package, you can provide that, and all the classes and all the test methods inside the classes will execute with the package name. Let's see how you can define a package and the advantages. First, let's create package. Let me create a package. Dot package dot testng. Okay, I think inside the package name it is not accepting a package. I just giving com.testng.package1. This is my package. Inside the package, let me create a multiple classes. Sorry, I'm going to take a testng class. This is my class 1. This is test 1. I'm going to create a second class. This is my class 2. Let me copy paste. This is my second test. This is my second test. Okay, now let's see. Let's create a testng XML for this particular package. Right click on the package, go to testng, convert to testng. See, if you see the default structure of the XML file which is created, suite, test and classes. Under the classes, you are defining each and every class. So let's say if you have the number of classes, if it is keep growing, you need to add every class under the classes tag. How you can avoid that? If you want to execute all the classes under this particular package, you can completely avoid writing all the classes. You can select packages. See, now I select the packages instead of classes. What happened? This XML is updated. See, this is under the packages tag. You are just providing what is the package name. This is my package. So if you run this particular XML, this will execute all the test methods defined under the classes. We need not to define each and every class under the classes attribute. Since in the real time, you will be having multiple classes and day by day your classes, the count of the classes will be keep increasing. Depends on like how many the test case count increases, the categorization will also increase and your classes will also increase. So you need not to be worry about like keep adding the classes under the classes tag. You can create a packages and you can execute. This is the use of a package, and there is a one more advantage which you cannot achieve that using the classes tag. We are going to see that. Now let me create this particular testng XML. Okay, we have a testng XML already. Let me overwrite. See, this is our XML. Under a package, I defined package 1. Let me run this. See, there are 2 tests are run. Even if you use a classes, you will be seeing the same output. So there is no difference. Now, there is a one more example I am going to show you. Let us assume under this particular class you have an inner class. Let me create class inner class 1. See, there is one more class I am creating, inner class. Let me create a test case inside this. Let's assume this is my test 3. This is test 3. Let's annotate with test. Okay. Now if you run this particular package, this testng XML, your expectation is run 3 test cases. Before we run this using the package, let us run using the class first and then we'll see. Let me create a testng XML again for this particular package using the classes. Okay, go to testng, convert to testng. See, now you are seeing 3 classes, class 1, class 2 and inner class. I am going to override the testng XML. If you see, using the classes I am going to trigger now. Our expectation is there are 3 tests and all of them should run. Let's see the output. See, there is an error message displayed because cannot find class in class path for this inner class 1. Okay, using this classes tag you cannot run because it's not able to identify the class, the inner class in a class path, and so definitely you cannot execute using the classes. Now I am going to create a testng XML file using package. Instead of a classes, I am going to select packages. Let me override this. So our testng XML is updated with the package. Now let's run this testng XML file. And see, there are 3 test cases are executed. So if you have any inner class, the classes attribute will not run. Why? Because the inner class will not be found in the class path. We have to use packages. This is the advantage of packages tag in the testng XML. And if you have like the more classes, you can avoid the maintenance work as if your suite is keep growing. With the package, you can just simply provide the package name and all of the classes and the test defined inside the classes under that particular package will execute. And there is a one more advantage with the packages, I can say. Now we have seen the inner class. In the same way, if we have a sub package, we have a package 1, inside that, under that if we have one more package called a sub package, under the package, under the sub package, if we have another class and the test cases defined, this particular package at the tag will help you to trigger all the cases from the package and from the sub package. Whereas if you use the classes, they may not work. They will not work actually. Hope you understand the concept. Please feel free to comment if you have any comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.